welcome back to Triple P Designer. Today we're diving into the top 5 UI UX design trends of 2024. Whether you are a seasoned designer or just started out, these trends will help you start ahead of the curve. Let's dive into it and let's get started. Trend number 1, AI powered design tool. First up, all power design tools are revolutionizing the way we look, we work. Tools like Midjourney, Adobe Firefly, DALI, Leonardo AI. These are the tools which help to enhance the beautiness of designs. Elements automate repetitive tasks and even suggest design improvements. This is not only speed up the design process but also opens up the new creative possibilities. This is a perfect website I got over here. You can see the AI related tools which is free or in beta stage or free plus paid like freemium, you can say. These are sum up with a better card like design represented over here. You can just have an access by clicking on this. I will just give you all those link in the description below, so do subscribe and stay tuned. Trend number 2, immersive AR and VR experience. I got one of the article by Design Lab which explains the augmented reality and virtual reality in a proper blog like representation. So it's a next immersive AR and VR experience are becoming more mainstream, which advancements the technology designing for augmented or virtual reality. It's more accessible than ever you can imagine. The trend is all about creating interactive and engaging experience that go beyond the screens. You can see there is a lamp. This is not really inside it. It's a augmented reality representation where you can imagine one of the product which you are shopping on Amazon or from any other shopping platform. You can view that product in your home itself. The user can visualize how the lamp is gonna look beside the sofa. Similarly, virtual reality helps using a VR headset, which is recently launched by Apple. Also it's available from Meta. So you can visualize all those immersive games, you talking to your friends, everything with a very grateful way. And MR also mixed reality, which you can involve your friends and make them learn of some virtual reality like any image or any product you are explaining, and you can see your friends as a avatar format. Trend number 3, minimalism with depth. Minimalism is evolving in 2024. It's all about minimalism with depth. The trend combines the clear, simple aesthetic of minimalism with rich layered elements that added dimension and interacts with the user. So not only specifying UI but also UX having some minimal aspects which helps to enhance a user better user experience or a better user interface. I got this article. I will just drop down this link in the description. Do check out and read it with uh, proper visualizing the images represented over here. And number 4, data driven design. Data driven design is getting traction. This trends focus on user data to uh, inform in design uh, decisions, creating more personalized and effective user experience by leveraging user data. Analytics are also implementing those feedback and converting into a design, and designers can create interface that truly meet user needs. the best companies who use this kind of data driven approaches is Google, Facebook, Amazon, Netflix, Airbnb. I love specifically Airbnb UI and UX perspective. You can go to this particular article. I will give you the link in the description. You can just dive into it and read all those for your better UI UX clarity of data driven design, how you can implement those things in your upcoming design project or upcoming design task. Last but not in the list, but it's a very vital, important interaction part which enhances user experience in a better way. This is one of the article written in Medium. I got this article. I will just give you this link. You can just check this out. This minimal and micro interaction are becoming a key element in UI UX nowadays. These are the small substyle animations and feedback that occurs in response to user actions. If you are clicking on any button, if the button is reacting to a different stage or a different look, then you can understand how the transition happening from stage 1 to stage 2. They add a layer of delight and improve the overall user experience by implementing micro interaction in your upcoming UI project, or you have already implemented. You can see how the growth of that micro interaction enhances better user experience in future. This is the article which explains how the CTA in the basic level, default state, hover state, and activation state. This is the minimal micro interaction. You can dive deep inside it and create toggle switch, alert notifications, a lot more like pop-up, like animation icons representing the users will help to understand the icon properly, like this. So that's it for the today's video on the top 5 UI UX design trend for 2024, from AI powered tools to immersive AR VR experience. These trends are shaping the future of design. Which trends are you most excited about? Let us know in the comment below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with the latest design tips and trends. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye. Take care.